Welcome back to Trade with CJ. We have some massive news around SafeMoon. This is now one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the planet, and we have a big update for you today which could see this one to explode. Okay, SafeMoon has been exploded onto the scene. Very new cryptocurrency. However, the hype around this one is insane. If you appreciate these updates, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. We cover lots of exciting penny stocks on my channel as well, growth, value, etc. You name it, we cover it all, okay? But let's get into this. We're talking about one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the planet, the DeFi token known as SafeMoon. SafeMoon is absolutely exploding. The share price is moving around a lot, okay, but at the time of recording, we stand at 0.00000061. That is 5 zeros right there, okay? Insane price on this one, okay? Like I say, it's moving around, so it might look slightly different, but this one really did only just come onto the scene. It actually came onto the scene in March the 8th. This one launched on March the 8th, and we can see the graph here has been absolutely insane over that period of time. If we take you back here to the end of March, okay, the 1 month graph here, we was trading at a price of 0.6035. Incredibly cheap, with a volume of just over $7 million. We can then see this graph progress. And this literally started shooting up just last week, okay? If we go onto the 7-day graph, you can see how this one went up. This one went up to insane highs of around about 0.5014. Okay, so incredible highs with a volume of over 137 million. We started with 7 million up to 137 million volume being traded, okay? Then we did see this one pull all the way down around about 0.004. This one went all the way down to 0.4, and now it has kind of consolidated over the last few days. Since the 24th of April, so last couple of days, last few days, we have kind of been consolidating around the 0.7 mark, okay? So it's kind of been hovering around there. And like I said, at this time of recording, we do still stand around the 0.6 mark, so that's 0.606, okay? So we're still at incredibly low prices right now, but it's been consolidating, and the volume is still very much in our favor. Very high volume still being traded, around about 42 million, okay? So it's kind of pulled back a little bit. Maybe people are taking their profits that they have made from this insane gain, but nevertheless, it's still very early days. Like I said, this one has only really been out for over a month, and the hype has only really got onto this one over the last week or so. SafeMoon has been exploding. Now, at this moment in time, there's only a few ways that you can actually buy SafeMoon, okay? If you look at this list right here, this is on coinmarket.com. You've got Gate, PancakeSwap, and Bitmark. These are your main ones here for buying SafeMoon, okay? That is how you can buy it right now. And they are not the most known exchanges in the world. However, this is where the huge updates come in. We know about this one potentially listed on Binance, okay? And this is going to be a massive catalyst. But today we have another potential listing coming up very soon, which we're going to touch on in just a moment. If we go onto the SafeMoon website, you can now see this particular crypto is almost at 1,300,000 holders, okay? It's almost touching the 1,300,000 holders, which is substantially increased from my last video on these by a big amount already, okay, with a market cap of $3 billion, 43,704,000. Okay, this is incredibly expensive right now. It's gone up by so much. We got a brand new crypto on the scene trading at over $3 billion market cap in total. This is absolutely insane. And as of right now, at this moment in time, coinmarket.com has this as the #1 most visited crypto. And you can look at this list. It's overtaken Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in #4. It's overtaken Dogecoin. It's even overtaken XRP. And there's been so much hype around XRP, Ethereum, etc. This is the #1 most visited crypto in the world right now on coinmarket.com. That's absolutely insane. It's only going to become more and more popular. We saw this tweet here on SafeMoon's Twitter, retweeting a Binance video, okay, and in this video he said, if a coin has a large number of users, we will list it. And I think it's safe to say this has a large number of users and is the most visited coin. So it's only really a matter of time before this gets listed on Binance. And it's kind of like a stock. When a stock uplists to the NASDAQ or a new exchange, we do see a lot of big pump, okay, because it makes it more accessible to more investors. And if this uplisted Binance, you can downright bet that this is going to have a nice big ride, because a lot more people are going to be able to buy this crypto. At the moment, it's a little bit tricky to buy. You can only buy it on a few different platforms, as already mentioned. But once it's listed Binance, this is going to be massive for this crypto. However, putting that aside, they said just literally less than a day ago, 41% of the total SafeMoon has been burned. Gone, never coming back. Okay, these numbers are growing and growing. It's going to make this a lot harder to get hold of at some point in the future. Okay, it really is becoming absolutely insane. Their Twitter account has just hit over 400,000 followers. I know you might think it's just Twitter, but this now gives them massive exposure. 400,000 followers in such a short period of time. You can only imagine this is going to pass the 1 million threshold very, very soon. But this is the real bit of news right now. Okay, India with the flag SafeMoon soon. What the hell does this mean? Is SafeMoon going into India? Well, like it says, yes, it damn right is. Okay, if we go into this, ZBG. ZBG is a major cryptocurrency platform. They say global top 10 cryptocurrency exchange, ZBG. And right here on their homepage, SafeMoon initially launched on ZBG. Coming soon. Okay, we should be getting this very, very soon, if not by the time you see this video. SafeMoon launching on ZBG, one of another big cryptocurrency exchanges. Top 10. This is once again going to be absolutely huge. Not quite Binance, but it nevertheless is absolutely huge for this company. We go onto this link and it says SafeMoon will be listed. This is not speculation. This is not, hype or something that is potentially in the pipeline. This is happening. It's just a matter of when right now. It doesn't give us much detail on this particular press release, but it does nevertheless tell us what we need to know, that it will be listed, and it's meant to be listed today. Okay, so we have massive news for this company, for this crypto. Like I say, it is on a bit of a downward trend at the moment. Okay, we've been a bit flatline as of the last few days. This is not a crypto that I'm in, but I'm going to give you the updates because it's absolutely insane how this one has made people literally in crazy amounts of money in such a short period of time. Where will this go? It has such a cheap price if you want to get a token or two. And yeah, the market cap is absolutely huge. It is now the #1 most visited crypto on coinmarket.com, and it is listing today. We very much hope so anyway on ZBG exchange. Okay, and then there is always a massive potential of this listing on Binance as well. Huge catalyst for this one. No wonder there is so much hype around it. So yeah, if you appreciate these updates, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel. We're excited to see where this one's going to go in the next 24 hours, let alone the next week or two. Okay, how many more exchanges can they get listed on? They're planning on listing on many more, that's for sure. Thanks for watching, and until next time.